Hello students, today I am going to tell you uh, some very important features of the play The Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice is a play by William Shakespeare, who was born in 1564 and died in 1616. The first element is the title. The title of the play is The Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice, in this title, The Merchant of Venice, the word merchant is used for the character Antonio. Antonio is a merchant of Venice, and he borrows money from Shylock to help his friend Bassanio, and for helping his friend, he borrows money from Shylock, and he signs a bond according to which Shylock will be able to take 1 pound of flesh from his body if he doesn't repay his money within 3 months time. Uh, so this Antonio plays a very important part in the play. The story He plays the very important part in the story of the Bond story, and the Cascade story. Uh, this play is a romantic comedy. From Comedy is a dramatic composition in which has a happy ending and which is full of humor, uh, in which there is a song, um, and music and humor, and so this poem is a romantic comedy. In this play is a romantic comedy. In this play, um, although we find the sad story of Shylock, uh, but still there is much humor and entertainment. A comedy provides entertainment to its audience, and it has happy ending, and it presents the humorous criticism of life. In this play, The Merchant of Venice also has happy ending. It provides entertainment. It is full of humor, uh, and song, and stories of love and adventure, and in this, like all the romantic comedies of Shakespeare, in this play also, Shakespeare's William Shakespeare's heroine, which is Portia in this play, is very intellectual and witty. So this play is a romantic comedy. The next is tragic comedy. Tragic A tragedy is a dramatic composition which presents the downfall of some very important character. In this play, this play depicts the downfall of Shylock. Uh, in a tragedy ends in deaths, and in a tragedy, chances and coincidences plays a very important part. In The Merchant of Venice, we find the elements both of tragedy and of comedy. So it is a tragic comedy. It Although it has the sad story of Shylock, in which Shylock falls from his high status, and he loses all his property, uh, and even his religion. Uh, in spite of this sad story, there is um, humor throughout the play. It is full of entertainment. So and it ends in happy marriages of Bassanio and Portia, uh, and Nerisha and Graciano and marriage of Lorenzo and Jessica. So it is tragic comedy. Uh, the next element is humor. Humor, humor. Uh, this play has humor. Uh, Humor is in a play. Humor is presented through uh, some situation or through dialogues. Uh, in this play, we have the humor of what types. Uh, the situation where there is the humor of situation is expressed where uh, Portia and Nerisha make witty comments on the Englishman and the Scotchman who come as a suitor to win the hand of Portia. Their comments make us laugh, and in the verbal humor, uh, which is presented through dialogues, uh, we also find this type of humor. The next is the the character of Lancelot Gobbo, which is a fool in the play. His character his character provides humor to to the groundlings. He he his malpropism and misuse of words is very famous in all Shakespeare's plays. The last element is the dramatic irony. Dramatic irony is a dramatic device in which a speaker speaks on the um, stage, and he thinks that uh, there are two types of dramatic ironies: the irony of action and the verbal irony. When the speaker or character who is on the stage and he does something and he feels that what he is doing is right, but the audience knows that he is wrong. This is irony of situation, and the verbal irony happens when a speaker on the stage speaks thinking that what he is saying is right, but the audience knows that what he is saying is not right, it is wrong. in the in this play, the in the fourth act and the in the fourth act scene first, um, Bassanio and Graciano uh, give their rings to Portia and Nerisha, who thinking that they are maids, thinking that they are lawyers, but the audience know that they are not lawyer, but they are wives, they are females. So it is the irony of situation. The verbal irony happens when in the act 4 scene second, when Bassanio says that he has a wife, and he can sacrifice his love, his wife and whole world uh, for the sake of his friend. So he he believes that his wife is not present here, so he can say whatever he likes. But the audience know that the words the but the audience know that Bassanio is speaking to his wife herself. Uh, so he thinks that his wife is not present there, but he his wife is present before him, because the lawyer before him is not a lawyer but his wife in disguise. So the audience knows that whatever uh, the audience knows this situation and laughs and uh, this at this situation. So these are the chief elements of the this play. Thank you.